This is gonna be bad. I got a feeling.
Hello?
Hello?
What's up?
Hi, this is Rob.
Huh?
Hi, this is Rob.
Rob?
Yeah, some girl gave me this number. I was
I
with her last night.
don't know. Huh?
I was with this. I don't know. This girl said she had a boyfriend, but she gave me this number.
No. I
I don't know. She gave me the number. She said it was her boyfriend.
don't know. I doubt that.
Huh?
I doubt that.
I don't know, man.
Who's this?
Rob. She's with me now.
Rob?
Yeah, I'm with her.
I
Yeah, she's my girl.
don't know. Shit, what you telling me for?
Cuz, you're a bitch.
Huh?
You're a bitch.
You a bitch?
No, you a bitch.
Shit, it gotta be you.
No. I'm with your girl right now.
Yeah, okay.
I am.
What's your name?
What?
What's your name?
What's her name?
Yeah.
Her name is Tanya.
Shit, I don't know no fucking Tanya.
I don't fucking know you, but I'm talking to you, am I?
Yeah?
Yeah?
I don't know no girl Tanya anyway.
You got extra tiny penis?
Hey, what?
You got an extra tiny penis?
It's what?
You got a tiny penis, bitch.
Fuck you.
Yeah, fuck you. Why don't you get another lineup with your fucking EBT card?
Who the fuck is this?
Your mom, she's telling you you can stop using the EBT.
Do you what?
You heard me, Kool-Aid man.
I don't know who the fuck it is anyway.
Motherfucker, I don't know who this is anyway. Dude,
Who's this?
you know me.
Huh?
You know me.
If I know you, we would not having this fucking conversation right now.
Then how the fuck do I have your number, bitch?
I don't know who the fuck gave you my number, you fucking bitch.
I'm not a bitch, you a bitch.
You the bitch. You the one fucking calling me.
Yeah?
I mean, you the one fucking, you the one, you a bitch because you the one calling me. If your girl giving you my number, I mean, you the one is a bitch.
Damn, you need to go back to Puerto Rico. All I hear is dambre que da balayito, malacala con la malagala.
No 40-foot ice ski poly? Yeah, it's up there.
Who you talking to?
I'm talking to your mama.
Oh, my mama?
Yeah,
Know who I'm talking to?
you fucking bitch.
I'm talking to a bitch.
Yeah, you. Talking to you. Just right there, you bitch. You
Tell,
bitch.
tell that guy in the background to shut the fuck up.
Huh?
Tell him to shut the fuck up in the background.
What the fuck you want, anyway?
Dude, shut up. You don't know me.
You don't know me.
You don't know me. You're nothing but a bitch.
Yeah, you the bitch.
You a bitch.
You a bitch.
Tiny penis.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay.
That's not what your mom said.
Yeah, well, my mom said you also piss on your balls because your dick is too small.
Yeah, okay. You're full of jokes.
I know you're going to use that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you ever tried sitting on the toilet without your dick touching water? Impossible for me.
Anyway, what the fuck you want, you fucking whore?
I can't hear you.
Okay, what the fuck you want?
I can't hear you.
Well, hear this. Fuck you.
Yeah, you and your Goya beans too.